So who can recall what we talked about yesterday? Yes? Who can recall? I think we started about a simple interest. Studio. So we began with simple interest or borrowed. Studio. So the money earned or borrowed, we say yesterday is that interest amount of money borrowed or therefore I hope you are writing amount of money borrowed or amount of money earned. Amount of money earned. Borrowed money or therefore deposited. So interest. And then I said that when dealing with compound interest, the interest that is earned at the end of each period is retained. It is not being withdrawn. Are we together? It is not being withdrawn. So that money should be retained at the up to the end of the period. So we say that when dealing with compound interest, let us suppose I want to check something on compound interest. I say that when dealing with compound interest, what you need to understand, Felix, is that this money or the interest earned from compound interest is only withdrawn at the end of the period. And I say that it accumulates. When we use the word accumulation, it accumulates all everywhere again, and it is not withdrawn at the end of first year or second year. Or the money can only withdrawn at the end of the period. For example, when you deposited or borrowed some cash from the bank, maybe it is for a period of 3 years, right? You are only allowed to withdraw your money at the end of three years. Are we together? And the interest is added and it is being taxed. It is being the rate is being charged each and every year. It is different with simple interest, where the rate is charged once for 3 or 2 years. Are we together? So let us see one example. Let us write this question. Let us write this question for us to understand. Onyango borrowed shillings. Onyango borrowed shillings, 24,000 from a bank, which charge we charge a compound interest of 5% per annum. Shillings, 24,000 from a bank, we charged 5% rate per annum for a period of 3 years. For a period of 3 years. For a period of 3 years. And then let us see. Number one, we say that principal is the amount of money borrowed or deposited. Are we together? So from that question, are we able to identify the principal? Are we to identify the rate? Are we able to identify the period, class? Yes. Principal is the amount of money borrowed or deposited. So that money borrowed or deposited. Yes? So he borrowed how much? Shillings? 24,000. Studio. What at the rate of 5%? And then time is 3 years. Studio. So what I expect you to do, number one, you need to identify the money deposited or borrowed principal. Are we together? And then you are able to identify rate in percentage, and not just per annum. The word per annum means it is charged yearly. It is charged yearly. Are we together? It is charged what? yearly. The amount can only be charged yearly. Are we together, like? So what you need to check, the question are in months, is it in years, is it in weeks, or days, or hours? You know, somebody can go real money, and then after maybe some hours, she only wants that amount. So according to this one here, this person is charged 5% per year. And the time given there is how many years, class? 3 years. Are we together? So I said that we need per year. Are we together? So what did we say? Yes, governor, have the wall. Governor, have the wall. Have the wall very fast. So we said that compound interest, it is not withdrawn directly. It is not calculated once, but it is calculated year, first year, right? First year. First year, yes. So the first year, I said that it is calculated yearly. Studio. So let us see. The first year, we have first year. We have identified the first principle as what? As 24,000. Studio. Studio. What over rate? Rate is 5% per annum. Studio. And then we have time to be how many years? The time we don't get there 3 years. Studio. So we start 3 years, and then the one per annum means per year. So we are going to calculate it yearly. It is not calculated once, like the same way we were calculating simple interest. Simple interest. So we are going to find the interest yearly. And I said yesterday that the amount of the first year acts as the principal of the second year. So I said that we need to find the interest P1. That is the first principle. And you say that interest is equal to Peter, variable, finger, principal times rate times time. Studio, did we say that, class? Yes. Over 100 because of the rate here. The 100 here just because of the rate. And we say that principal there is 24,000. So let us see what is happening. Times rate, which is 5. Oh, and what is the time? The time said that it is calculated yearly or annually. So we calculate it using 1 year. 1 year. So that is multiplied by 1 because it is calculated yearly. Are we together? So look here. 24 times 5 over 100 times 1. 0 goes with 0. 0, 0. So calculate this and give me the result very fast. 1,000 plus what is this? This is interest 1. So when we are going to second year, what do we need to do, class? Yes. Find the amount of the first year. Studio. How can is equal to principal interest. Studio. So when we add the two, what do we get? 24,000, which is the principal, and then add it to. Yes. You add 24,000 plus 1,200. So what do you get? When you add 2,400, you get here 200. So this is the amount of the first year. Amount of the first year acts as the principal of the second year. Can I have that duster? Yes. So amount of the first year acts as the principal of the second year. So after finishing with that first year class, and we get that the amount of the first year is 20 what? 20 what? So that 2,500 now acts as the second principal. So now we have second year. Principal now is what, class? 25,200. Studio. Class, what is rate now? The rate remains the same because it is charged yearly. 5. Studio. Time is now 1 year. 1 year. So what do we do today? We need to get the interest. And this is that interest is equal to principal times rate times time over 100. Studio. Plus we have principal now. Yes? Nigapi? 25,000. Yes? 200 times 5 over 100 times 1. Studio. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Multiply that. What do you get? 1,260. This is the interest of year 2. Last, we want to go to year 3. What do we need to get here? Amount of the second D. So when you have amount is equal to principal plus interest, and the principal there is what? Now the principal 5,200. 200. We have that 25,200 plus interest, which is 1,260. Plus, what do you get there?
26,400.
You get 26,460.
Yes.
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 So this is the amount of the second year. The amount of the second year acts as the principal of the third year. So what is the principal of the third year? The principal of the third year is this one. We have to get the same to be? Yes? 5. And time is 1. Then we get interest. Principal times rate times time over. Yes, what do we get? Yes? Yes? So we have there 200. Yes? 26,460 times 5 over 100 times 1 0. Huh? So 0 goes here 1, 0 1 0. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 1, 3, 2, 3. 0. So that the interest there is 1,323. This is the interest 3. 0. So this is interest 3. Where's the interest 1? The interest 1 is this one here. This is 2. You can only have the interest 1. You don't have, you just have. So if you add this one plus that interest 1, what do you get? Add those interests. Add those interests so that we have the fact there. Yes? If you add the interests, where the first one was 1,200, and then another one was 1,206. Another one was 1,323. So if you add these three, we got a gapi. Yes? 3,000? So you add that one, that is 3, yes, 8, 7, 1, 0. So that you have 1,783. Then add it to principal, which was, what was the principal? The principal was 24,000. So add 24,000 here. You got a gapi total? 20? 23,000. Oh, 3,723. So if you add the two, what a gapi? Yes? 27,783 is total amount at the end of the day. That is 1 over demonstration.